Zinc alloy accessories glitter with shiny metal. These products are branded with a common name, SIMHOPE.
Features of die casting machine. Electric system. This control box is separated from the machine for easy maintenance and safety. While this machine is carrying out shot, it won't damage the electronic components inside the control box, extends machine lifespan, and reduces failure rate. The electrical control system is user-friendly, easy to operate, and designed for die clamping and injection processes. The 10-inch PLC touchscreen color interface is provided for easy communication with the machine. It has self-diagnostic functions and automatically displays the malfunction and a remedy of the problem. 50 sets of shot profiles can be stored with die parameter memory, including proper injection pressure, velocity, and time. It can be used in die setup to fine-tune your shot condition to be exactly the same as the previous setup. When the same mold is used repeatedly, the user can input the mold number and read the related data. It will minimize testing time, increase production efficiency, and supply effective data of production management. It needs to be done only once, yet it is so powerful and useful. The user can creatively program the machine to do many jobs that was thought to be impossible before. Oil temperature control. If the oil is overheated, the monitor will display a warning message and the machine will warn the operator to be aware of the cooling water to ensure the lifespan of oil seals. Dual die coalescing switches. Dual switches are provided to confirm the action of die closing. It can prevent any accidental die closing when either switch is broken. Two shot speeds. There are two injection velocities. The slow shot is used to push away the air in the mold. The fast shot is used to fill the cavities. The hydraulic circuit is responsive. The fast shot velocity on most of the hot chamber machines are more than 4 meters per second. It can make the quality castings more than 95% efficient. Injection safety valve and limit switch. The injection is completed by both the hydraulic safety valve and a limit switch. After the die is closed and moved toward the shot nozzle, the hydraulic pressure must meet the required value, and then the safety valve will open and start injection for safety. Automatic pressure safety relief valve. When this machine stops in any critical situation, the pressure relief valve is provided to automatically unload pressure inside the accumulator to reduce danger caused by remaining pressure. Preheating container. The SIMHOPE machine is attached with one preheating container around the melting pot. It's convenient to collect residue and melt it again, and it makes the environment clean. Central forged grease lubrication system. This machine has an automatic centralized lubrication system that can spread grease uniformly on the mandrel and make it last longer. If the grease and its lubrication pressure are insufficient, an alarm will automatically sound to ensure the normal lubrication. Low pressure die closing. SIMHOPE machines come with a unique low pressure die closing circuit. It can be activated to protect your precious tooling investment. When activated, the platen will close at low pressure until both die faces touch to turn into high pressure to lock up the die. If a foreign object such as sticky runners, flashing, bent ejector pins are on the die face, the die closing will stop and the machine will alarm operators to check the die face. Hydraulic pump and valve. The hydraulic pump and valve are equipped with Takumec or Yukon brand from Japan. They control precise action, a lower failure rate, and a longer lifespan. Heat-resistant material. The important parts are made of special heat-resistant material like the shot nozzle, shot tube, and gooseneck. Their failure rates are substantially less and have a long lifespan. Automatic casting, sweeper, and oil sprayer. The SIMHOPE machine is attached with the casting sweeper and oil sprayer. They can automatically work to reduce labor cost, increase production efficiency, and produce quality castings. Modern design. Besides a strong function, SIMHOPE machines have an attractive design with its external appearance. It will enhance the entire image of your company.